I'm Melanie Stube, your independent Norwex sales consultant, and today I'm going to show you how to make what I like to call a booking bunny. And he looks just like this, and you can see he's pretty cute. He's even got a little tail, and this is a great gift to help you to book parties in the spring. Even if Easter is gone, it's still spring, and what is cuter than these little bunnies? So let's get started. What you're going to need is
I have it in 2 different colors today that are special spring colors. I also have a few rubber bands. I have some ribbons. I have a few googly eyes. I have some scrap paper, some double-sided tape, and some scissors.
And most of these items you can purchase from your dollar store. Okay, so let's get started. I have unwrapped my Norwex Cloth, and I'm going to put the tag side up. And I'm actually going to start rolling from that corner. So you're just going to do a tight roll, and you're going to just keep rolling from one corner until the other, all the way across. All right, so now we've got a long tube. You're going to fold your tube in half, and you can see this is going to be the open side of the bunny's ears. And then you're going to take that and you're going to fold it back. Okay, now you can see that the little ears do poke past his bum. Okay, so you've got enough to make his head, so you want it to poke just past there, and I'm gonna hold it. Then this is where we take our rubber band, gonna wrap it around to form his head. And these cloths are pretty thick, so if you wanna, use a thicker elastic, you can. And you wanna leave room, of course, so that his little ears stick up very cutely. So I think that's about good for his head today. And then, of course, we want to give him some eyes, a little face and his little tail. So what we're using for that is the double-sided tape, and I like that because it's super simple to use. And like I said, you can just buy it from the dollar store. And all you need to do is take a little piece, place it on there for the eyes, and whoever gets this little bunny, the nice thing is that they should be able to take this off easily so that they can use their Norwex cloth, or, you could make this with a body pack cloth, you could use a kitchen cloth, and I just think that the fun colors for Easter, especially with these Norwex cloths, is what make them really special. So you're just gonna place his eyes, you're gonna keep going with the tape. I've cut out, you can see on my finished guy, whiskers and a nose are just cut out with scraps of paper. And the tail, same thing, just use double-sided tape and one of the cotton balls to patch that on. And then you'll want to finish by taking a piece of your ribbon and tying that around the elastic so that he's nice and cute. And then your bunnies can actually be unique because you could use different colors of paper, different colors of ribbon, different colors of cloth. So there could be lots of different varieties of little bunnies. And what I'm using these for is this weekend we do have a trade show, and I'm gonna have my basket of booking bunnies. And I think I'll even attach a little note to them about what fun it is to book a party. And anytime someone books a party from there, they'll get to take one of these little guys home with them. So that is my booking bunny. If you have any questions, you can pop them in the comments, and otherwise I hope that you enjoy making your own.